Hey guys, I just added another clock to my clock collection, and this here is an antique Cuckoo clock. This came from my grandparents' neighbor who lived across the street, and my grandfather decided to bring it here. And things that we noticed here, this is fragile. This will start to fall off. The bird is a little bit cracked, but I think someone already fixed it. There is a broken part here. It needs to be fixed. The weights need to be untangled, but we need to untangle them already, and the pendulum needs to be put back on. And so right here is the bird. I had to turn the light on. There it is. It's pretty in blue. I've never seen a blue cuckoo bird before. And I am not letting it cuckoo until further notice. The only thing it needs is a place to be hung and some restoration.